The latest Intel Core i9-12700K processor comes with 8 Golden Cove cores but cut down the Gracemont cores to 4. It features 12 cores and 20 threads. The P cores will operate at a base frequency of 3.6 GHz and a maximum boost frequency of up to 5.0 GHz with 1-2 active cores and 4.7 GHz with all cores active, while the E cores will operate at 3.8 GHz across 1-4 cores and up to 3.6 GHz when all cores are loaded. The i9-12700K Alder Lake processor will feature 25 MB of L3 cache, and TDP values are maintained at 125W and 228W. Advanced facilities from Core i7-12700K. The Core i9-12700K comes with 2 more early benchmark appearances. For reference, the Core i9-12700K is a 12-core processor with 8 performance cores and 4 efficiency cores. The processor is believed to have a 5.0 GHz boost clock too. The latest Intel 12th Gen i9-12700K comes with a 3 years warranty. Core benefits of the processor. The Intel Core i9-12700K Alder Lake CPU will feature both DDR5 and DDR4 memory controllers and 600 series motherboards. Will also come with DDR5 divided by DDR4 specific option. High-end motherboards will retain DDR5, while the more mainstream offerings will open up DDR4 support too. The Intel Alder Lake CPU lineup is expected to launch in November, along with the respective Z690 platform and DDR5 memory kits. This 12th Gen Core i7 comes with Mobo Socket LGA-1700 64-bit with 2 memory channels with maximum memory of 256 GB capacity. It has thermal design power rating of 125W. This Core i7 12th Gen processor has few expansion options.